guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the GLOSSYBOX Easter Egg. Look at how cute this is. It's like a dinosaur egg. So I guess what would this be? The April Glossybox? Yeah, April Glossybox 2021. Let's open this guy up. Ooh. Alright, look at this. This is just the cutest packaging. I know I say that in every video, but this is really creative. Before I get started in this video, guys, this was sent to me by GLOSSYBOX, although this is not a sponsored video, and this was actually limited edition, so it's no longer available. But I will leave a code for you guys right here if you want to purchase the next GLOSSYBOX. And yeah, let's just get started. So let's see what's in here. I guess as we go, I'll try each product out for you guys. Yeah. This first product is a face wash. So this is the Bioderma Sensi Bio foaming gel. Love this rosé color. So this is a mild foaming cleansing gel, and it's also fragrance free, which is great. So this just comes out like a gel, as it's stated. And absolutely no scent at all. This has rapid restoring and moisturizing properties, making it a great option for sensitive skin. It removes makeup and cleanses without stripping or over drying. The deluxe mini is $6 and the full size is $19.90. It's actually a really good price for this. This would be perfect for traveling. Like $6 for that size. It's really good. Since I'm doing this in my studio, this is like all rubbed under my skin. So I'm just gonna wash this off real quick and I'll be back. My skin just feels really, really soft. Also, sorry for my breakouts in this video, guys. I was reviewing the new JLo skincare products and it really made me break out. I'm not sure if it was the serum or the moisturizer. I really liked the way that my skin looked when I was using it. My skin was very glowy and it also just gave you a really even complexion, which I loved about it. But yeah, I broke out like crazy all over my chin, right here, and then I have one over here. Just like, what the hell? I do have more acne prone skin, so I don't know if that's like a testament to her product or not. You guys might really like that. But anyway, next up we have the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. Combining the patented tri-enzyme technology with Amazonian acerola cherry, this cooling gel mask targets fine lines, superficial scarring, and uneven texture for a smooth, radiant complexion. Oh. I didn't expect it to be a gel. It has a light scent. I'm not really sure exactly what it smells like. I want to say aloe, but I don't know if I'm just thinking that it smells like that because it kind of looks like that. Either way, it's not super strong, but there definitely is a scent there. So if you're sensitive to scents, you might not like this guy. It smells calming. It's not a bad scent. Okay, so the deluxe mini is $27, which is a little pricey if you think about it. But you really didn't need that much. And if it's gonna target all of your problem areas, I think that that's a pretty decent price. So if you think about it, you use a mask, what, like once a week? That's not bad. And then their full size is $78.50. Ooh, it does really have one of those like cooling tingles. Feels effective. It says to leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, so we're gonna do 10 minutes to be more efficient. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wash this off real quick. I'll be back. That really feels like it made a huge difference. I feel like my skin just looks calmer, doesn't it? Don't answer that. But it feels really good and it has like that lasting tingle. That lasting like cooling effect. How often are you supposed to wear masks? Or apply masks, I guess you should say. Let me know if you guys know like the proper amount. I don't know if it's once a week or is it twice a week. I heard some people do masks like every single day. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. Next up, we have the Wander Beauty Dive In Moisturizer. This has a very light scent. Almost like a rosy kind of scent, but it's not overpowering at all. I always talk when I'm like moisturizing things and I'm like, don't smell scent at all. I'm always looking back at these rolling my eyes. This claims to give you 72 hours worth of deep hydration with this lightweight lotion. It's a powerful combination of 13 fruit extracts, including strawberry, raspberry, and cranberry. It defends against damaging free radicals and slows signs of aging. You apparently only need a pea-size amount. I did about 3 times that. And it looks like this is the only size available, which is a great size. This is $36, which if you only need a pea-size amount, this is gonna last you a long time. I also really like how this just absorbed perfectly. It's not sticky at all. Like I can't even feel it on my skin anymore. It just went right in. That's what I like to see. This next product I'm not gonna be using right now because it's a sleep mask, but this is the Pearl Brightening Sleep Mask by Lapcos. My dyslexia is showing so badly in all of my recent videos, but it's Lapcos. I'm just gonna read a little bit about this one for you guys. So it says, brighten and illuminate your skin with this, I almost said tentacle sheet mask. Tencel sheet mask. It's a pearl extract that contains anti-aging benefits to promote rejuvenation and give your skin a beautiful luminous glow. So a single one of these is $3. Are you supposed to use this entire thing? Because this feels like a lot in here. So it says to use this 2 times per week or when needed. So I don't think this is like a one-time use. I feel like they wouldn't have a cap there otherwise. So maybe you would get like, it feels like you would probably get like 4 uses out of this. I don't know if you guys can see the product from the side. I'll like plump it up for you. But yeah, I would say you get 4 uses out of this, which is really good for $3. This next one is one of these fancy hand lotions. To me, when I was younger, this was like the epitome of wealth. You know, kind of like those fancy olive oils with like the leaves all in it. Anyway, so this is the Mademoiselle Provence Lavender and Angelica Hand Cream. This lotion is $10.99 and it says that it's enriched with fresh natural lavender and angelica extracts from the south of France to nourish and smooth your skin. I'm really good about moisturizing my hands. I have to do it constantly. I feel like once you get in the habit of moisturizing your hands, it's like you feel like this roughness constantly and it's just becomes an addiction to moisturize them like all throughout the day. But I guess it's a healthy addiction, because your hands are one of the first signs of aging. Jesus Christ, I'm trying to get this thing off of here while I'm talking and it's a nightmare. And I like the added benefit of the lavender in there. Very calming for when I'm having a panic attack in my car. It is a very strong scent of lavender. So if scents bother you, this might not be the one for you. Although I do feel like when it's on your hands, it's not nearly as bad as when it's on your face. Just like don't touch your face with it. But as I'm rubbing it in, it is dispersing a little bit. But I really like how this isn't greasy at all. It absorbed right into my hands. I hate the greasy lotions where like you can't like turn a doorknob after. This one you're like good to go. And $10.99 I feel like is a really good price for how big this is. This is, to me, I feel like this would be a great like car lotion. You just throw it in, what is that thing called again? Like center of your car? Car compartment? Center compartment? Glove compartment? Yeah, glove compartment, right? Okay, so we have 2 products left here, but I think I'm actually just gonna do my makeup real quick off camera and then come back and try these guys, because one is like a foam hairspray and the other one is a mascara. So this way you guys can get the full vision. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, my makeup is finished for the most part. Now we're gonna try this mascara out. So this is by Grand Cosmetics. This is the Grand Mascara. So this is a conditioning peptide mascara. I think I've ever heard of that. Peptides I've only really heard for skincare, so that's interesting. Ooh, and I like this. It's like a bullet. I already really like this wand. It's like very tight bristled, which I feel like those are typically the best, but we shall see. I really, really like this though. This is like a brushed aluminum. It just feels like, I don't know, satisfying? Is that what it is? Feels sturdy. Okay, so this says it conditions while it coats. This mascara is infused with peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes to promote healthier looking lashes over time. It's buildable, clump-free, and water resistant. This is also $25, which that's not too bad for a mascara. I feel like it's more on like the high end, obviously, for a mascara. It has a little tip on here. So it says sweep brush from lash base to tip in an upward motion. apply multiple coats for extra volume. So it's definitely not a thickening mascara, which I guess it didn't claim to be, but it's definitely lengthening. Which, if you're a mascara mixer, I feel like this one would be a really good one to do after you have one that's more like a fuller mascara, and then use this one for lengthening after. I don't know if anyone still layers mascaras. I mean, I guess if you don't wear fake lashes, you would, which I used to be really big on layering mascara. I used to have 2 mascaras, and I would constantly try out new ones, so I didn't have like a formula down, but I would always use one mascara that would really build just like body in your mascara, make them look a little bit thicker, and then I'd use a different one for lengthening. Then I had a whole process with waiting a few minutes for them to dry and then putting a second layer on. It was a whole process. Now that I wear fake lashes, I don't really do that anymore, but those were the days. This is a really good mascara though. And I feel like if you get in there and really wiggle the wand, you could probably build up a lot of depth in there. I also really like chunky lashes, so that might just be kind of a me problem. I feel like a lot of people are more searching for length, so you might really like this one. But yeah, after that second coat, I really feel like it's thickening them up. I really do like that though. Although I will say for $25, you can get, is it Dior Show? I think that's $25, and that's like a lengthening and like a voluminous, like all-in-one kind of thing. It makes them like super thick and long. I haven't used that one in years. It might not be 25 anymore. It might be like more 30. But yeah, I definitely do like it. Oh, I forgot that the whole point of this mascara is that it doesn't clump, so I mean, it definitely didn't clump. I like my lashes clumpy though, so. Anyway, let's move on to, this is the Bumble and Bumble Surf Foam Spray. So this is the Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry. It says, beachy hair can be glamorous too. It's infused with signature salt mineral complex. So it says it's part mousse and part salt spray that adds a polished volume to your hair. Which salt spray, if you guys don't know, it's more of like a thickening thing to each strand. Thickening thing. But that's why your hair always looks like really thick when you come out of the ocean. If you get your hair wet and it starts drying, it just looks like, well, it looks crazy, but it looks really, like it looks like you have a lot of hair. What am I trying to say? It says, shake well, mist onto damp hair, and dispute evenly with fingers. Blow dry with a brush for a polished look, or use your hands for windswept waves. Okay, so I can't use this right now anyway. But holy crap, this is $17. That is pretty pricey. The full size is $31. I guess if it works, that wouldn't be too bad, but I don't know. I wonder how long this would last you. I guess if you have really thin hair, that might be something that would be worth it. I don't know. I have really thick hair. As you guys can see, like, I ran a straightener through it right before this video, so I don't know if you can tell how thick it is, but I have a lot of hair. So that's not something that would be like a must for me. I don't know if I would spend $17 on something like this, but I have heard a lot of great things about this brand. I know a lot of people swear by products by them, especially. I think that they're mostly just hair products, if I'm not wrong, but I know a lot of people who use this brand. So let me know if you used it in the comments down below and how you like it. But yeah, that was the GLOSSYBOX Easter egg. Like I said, guys, I do have a code for them. I'll have the link in the description down below. That's the link that you're gonna have to use in order to get a discount on your next box. But yeah, this is my second time reviewing the GLOSSYBOX. I really like it. These products are really good. I mean, I like that they include a lot of full-size items in here. I've been feeling like the Allure box is kind of slipping a little bit based on how many skincare products there are in here. I feel like this might be my new favorite box. If you guys watch my other videos, you'll know that I love skincare. I think more importantly, it's just so hard to go out and buy skincare products without having like a little tester beforehand. So this really helps having a box that's mainly skincare based. That way I get to try as many things as I want, and I can go out and purchase them afterward, because skincare is usually pretty pricey. So you don't want to just like kind of offhand buy something and then you wind up hating it. So yeah, I feel like I just reiterated myself like 100 times, but it just feels good to be able to try them first. And a lot of the sample size items in here do last you a long time. So it really is worth the money. If you guys don't know how GLOSSYBOX works, it is $21 per month and you get 5, it says 5 luxe size beauty products delivered straight to your doorstep. And they are really beautifully wrapped. That's kind of like another plus about using GLOSSYBOX. It's not just like, you know, other boxes are just kind of like a standard box and everything's just kind of thrown in there. They really do take time on the presentation of the box. And that price, I feel like, is pretty fair for 5 products. And they're all decently sized. Like there's nothing in here that I picked up and I was like, oh, that's kind of a ripoff, you know? Where there are a lot of beauty boxes that kind of have those little like, it'll be like a sample size that barely covers like one use, you know what I mean? But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the April Glossybox in the comments down below, and make sure to like this video if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, I just turned the camera back on because I just kind of wanted to give you an update on that hand lotion. First of all, my hands feel really dry, like after wearing this for maybe like, I guess it's been like a half an hour, and they just feel like kind of itchy. I don't know if you guys have this problem too, but a lot of lotions that have fragrance in it tend to make me like, I don't know if I have some kind of reaction to it, but they tend to make me itchy. Like I can't use anything from Bath & Body Works. I just didn't really think about that point when I saw this. I don't really know why. I guess because their packaging almost gives you a very like, not organic, I don't know, like kind of bougie vibe. I just didn't really expect that. It does say on here 96.4% natural origin. I don't know if you guys can see that on there. Does that mean 96.4% like natural ingredients? I don't know. I'm wondering what I have like an issue with. But yeah, I figured I would just give you guys a little bit of an update on that because I probably won't be using this again. But anyway, okay, bye guys.